Lords View Industrial Development, Chloorkop, Gauteng, offers service stands available for development up to 25,000 square meters. The park is located 6 kilometers from the N1 highway and 10 kilometers from OR Tambo International Airport. The development is zoned Industrial 1, ideal for warehousing and distribution. The construction of the K232 road linking Marlborough Drive to Allendale Road will significantly improve your operational efficiency. For more information about Lords View Industrial Park, contact ANVIL PropertySmith.